Hello, marketers! Are you in the pursuit of making money online and feel that nothing is happening? The right answer is PLR Google Business Profile with AI. But this is no ordinary weapon. It's the typical S to super explosive growth and for dominating localisol like never before. Summary: the PLR Google Business Profile with AI is the ultimate package for any business. To get started to have a great online experience using their Google Business Profile in full. Scope, along with artificial intelligence. This is a private label rights PLR product fully. Rebrandable and allowed to resell with your name on it. Google My Business setup and management, including AI-driven best practices, client engagement through local SEO. Training guides, sales materials such as handouts, HD videos, graphics, and easy customization. You can rebrand PDF file and drive a rampant number of viral free traffic, even sleep while somebody does the rest on building your mailing lists, full sales funnels, or web pages for you. It is an indispensable bundle for digital marketers and business owners. Check here, PLR Google Business Profile with AI-related product. This item is currently on sale and available to you for a discounted price of only $19, saving you yourself $5 off the original total cost if investment continues better than expected this year. Features of PLR Google Business Profile with AI. AI-powered profile optimization. Utilize AI to boost Google Business Profiles with auto and suggested content, review management, and local SEO tactics. Full PLR package. This comes with high-quality training guides, HD videos, sales material, and graphics. You literally can demand editing and branding everything, pre-written sales copy, client sales videos, animated banners to set up selling campaigns. Immediately RP versatile application. Any sized business looking to enhance their online presence, attract more leads, and optimize revenue potential. Educational resources. The platform provides extensive training guides all the way from configuration of visibility to advanced AI strategies, which means consumers are well prepared. Support and updates. Continuous support and updates keep your program relevant through changes into the digital marketing landscape. Why choose PLR Google Business Profile with AI? It is significant to have good profile on today's digital era. With Google Business Profile, businesses already have all the tools to gain and maintain an effective online presence. Now add AI on top of that. This artificial intelligence helps you boost your visibility, the optimization of content, competitor analysis, and suggestions for improvements, all to improve search engine positioning locally more. Relevant points attract customers. The power of PLR Google Business Profile with AI is clear as day, all because of the processes it makes easier and the exposure boost. The reason, though, this package is special is done for sales funnel. Start generating sales right away with our ready-made funnel. Start reselling today without further development work and get all the money in. Check out our step-by-step comprehensive training guide and HD videos that will help you get an in-depth understanding of this niche without no stones unturned. Our content guides you through the latest best practices on what to do as a new business owner with Google Business Profile, or help if you want answers on how to improve your existing strategy. PLR writes, you can rebrand and resell with private label rise so that your clients are able to edit, customize the package, or even sell it. Now is your opportunity to enter a hot niche without needing the content yourself. Real success stories abound, but don't make our word for that. Check the results live. Benefits of Google Business Profile with AI using PLR. Better visibility. Increase your local SEO visibility with AI-generated strategies and get more leads. Easy management. Automate your review management. Content optimization from end to end, so you can focus on growing your business. Profitable monetization. Tap into the growing market of AI-powered tools with a bundle that is not just innovative, but also profitable. How does it work? Buy and rebrand. Acquire our white label solution. Launch and sell. Put your package on the sales platform and use our high-converting sales materials to make money right away. Grow and thrive. Keep up with digital marketing trends through continued support and updates. Take action now. So, don't wait and get your hands on PLR Google Business Profile with AI, so that you have a system in place helping you to take your business next level. If you are experienced or just starting, this bundle gives a great amount of value effectiveness to drive your growth. Unlock the potential for AI in your business. So, if PLR Google Business Profile with AI can enhance your online presence, feel free to get it now. PLR Google Business Profile with AI. Be the best you can be to become successful. Reserve your spot now and unlock the ultimate potential of this epic product. Your competitors are ahead of you. They have already embraced the future. Thanks for checking out my review of PLR Google Business Profile with AI.